The Supreme Court, in a historic verdict on 6 September 2018, decriminalized consensual sex between two adults, irrespective of their gender, and partially struck down Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. A 5-judge constitution bench headed by Chief Justice Dipak Misra had reserved its verdict on July 17 after hearing various stakeholders for 4 days, including gay rights activists. Before we begin, click the subscribe button if you haven't and hit the bell icon to be a part of our notification squad. Today, on this historic day, we are looking at 5 things you should know about Section 377. From this day, same-sex marriages are allowed, and with this decision, India has placed itself in a list of few countries to do that. What is Section 377 of IPC? According to Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, whoever voluntarily has carnal intercourse against the order of nature with any man, woman or animal shall be punished with imprisonment for life or with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. It also had implications for heterosexuals, as Section 377 included consensual sexual acts of adults, such as oral and anal sex in private, which were treated as unnatural and punishable. This archaic British law dates back to 1861. Introduced by the British during the colonial era, the section is based on the then existing English Buggery Act 1553 and penalizes all sexual activities against the order of nature. Petitioners in the Section 377 case. Petitions were filed by well-known LGBTQ activists, dancer Navteej Johar, journalist Sunil Mehra, chef Ritu Dalmia, hoteliers Aman Nath and Keshav Suri, and business executive Aisha Kapoor. The petition claimed the rights to sexuality, sexual autonomy, choice of sexual partner, life, privacy, dignity and equality, along with the other fundamental rights guaranteed under Part 3 of the Constitution, are violated by Section 377. These include Article 14, which guarantees right to equality before law, Article 15, which ensures that no person shall be discriminated against on the basis of caste, gender, creed, etc., Article 21, which guarantees right to life and personal liberty. What happened in Delhi High Court? The issue was first raised by NGO Naz Foundation, which had in 2001 approached the Delhi High Court. In a landmark judgment in 2009, the High Court decriminalized sex between consenting adults of the same gender by holding the penal provision as illegal. But in a huge jolt to the LGBTQ community, the Supreme Court in 2013 overturned the High Court judgment, making gay sex illegal. It also dismissed the review plea against which the curative petitions were filed. Government stand on Section 377. After Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government was sworn in 2014, it said it would take a decision regarding Section 377 only after the Supreme Court judgment. In a written reply to Lok Sabha, Minister of State Kiran Rijiju had said, "No, the matter is sub judice before the Supreme Court. A decision regarding Section 377 of IPC can be taken only after pronouncement of judgment by the Supreme Court." In 2015, the lower house, where the BJP is in majority, voted against the introduction of a private member's bill to decriminalize homosexuality. The bill had been proposed by Congress leader Shashi Tharoor. History created. In a world which is changing at fast rate, equality is a right of every person in the world. Coming from different parts of the country with diverse religion, age, sex and other backgrounds, the petitioners said that Section 377 legitimizes the stigma associated with sexual orientation and its expression, something which is essential. In a historic decision on 6 September 2018, the Supreme Court has scrapped Section 377 of the IPC, decriminalizing the 158-year-old colonial law which criminalizes consensual gay sex. The court noted that Section 377 of the IPC was used as a weapon to harass the members of the LGBTQ community, resulting in discrimination. The LGBTQ community possesses the same human and fundamental rights as other citizens, the top court said. The centre had said that the other aspects of the penal provision dealing with minors and animals should be allowed to remain in the statute book. Good to see India getting better. Thank you so much for watching. Write it down in the comments if you have some video ideas for our channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch the previous stuff. We know you will love too.